Hello, party planners! Welcome to the wild, wild world of rodeo-themed parties. If you're dreaming of hay bales, boots, and barn vibes, you're in the right spot. Today, we're diving into creative and budget-friendly decoration ideas. From centerpieces to backdrop brilliance, you'll be ready to wrangle it all. No fuss, no fluff, just straight-up inspiration. You don't need to live on a ranch to throw a rootin to tootin celebration. We've got questions answered, ideas shared, and style delivered. So saddle up, because your perfect rodeo party starts now. What are the best colors for a rodeo theme? Stick to warm, rustic tones. Think browns, reds, denim blues, and beige. These colors instantly give off that Western vibe. Use gingham, burlap, and leather textures to add depth. Accent with bandanas or rope for an authentic touch. Keep it earthy, bold, and simple. Layering these tones brings the whole theme together. Don't overthink it. Stick to natural, rodeo-inspired shades. How can I create a cowboy-style entrance? Use hay bales or wooden crates to frame the doorway. Add a welcome y'all sign on weathered wood. Hang rope or faux lasso around the entrance arch. Scatter cowboy hats or boots for added detail. Add a mini fence or swing door saloon look. Go big, this sets the tone for the whole party. Guests should feel like they stepped into the Wild West. Love this vibe? Tap that like and stay with me. What centerpieces fit a rodeo table theme? Fill mason jars with wildflowers or dried wheat. Add toy horses or mini sheriff stars around them. Place them on top of burlap runners or checkered cloth. Use horseshoes or rope coils as base decor. Mix in candles for a rustic glow. Crates or lanterns also make great table accents. Just keep it rugged, simple, and themed. What should I hang on the walls? Bandanas, cowboy banners, and faux wanted posters work great. Try hanging lassos or rope shapes like stars or hearts. Wooden signs with fun sayings add charm. Add cutouts of horses or cacti for flair. Stick with brown craft paper or faux barn wood backdrops. Lighting like fairy strands adds extra mood. Use layers to create depth and dimension. Enjoying the ideas? Give this video a like. How can I decorate the chairs? Tie bandanas around chair backs with twine. Use mini sheriff stars as clips or pins. Hang small rope loops or fringe for movement. Add burlap sashes or denim strips for texture. Keep colors matched to your main palette. Label chairs with cowboy nicknames for fun. It's a small detail, but it adds a lot. How do I set up a photo area? Create a rustic backdrop with wood, burlap, or gingham. Add props like cowboy hats, bandanas, and faux mustaches. Include a hay bale bench or saddle for sitting. Decorate with stars, cacti cutouts, and rope borders. Use warm string lights or lanterns for extra glow. Make a sign like Rodeo roundup photos above. Encourage guests to strike their best cowboy pose. If this sparked ideas, give the video a thumbs up. What lighting works best for a rodeo vibe? Use string lights to create a soft, rustic glow. Lanterns, real or faux, add warmth and character. Place lights in mason jars for table ambiance. Avoid bright white lights, go with warm tones. Add flickering, flameless candles for charm. Highlight key areas like entrance and backdrop. Lighting sets the mood more than you think. How can I decorate on a budget? Repurpose items like mason jars, old crates, or denim scraps. DIY paper stars, rope signs, and wildflower jars. Print your own wanted posters for fun and savings. Use free natural elements, sticks, rocks, or dried grass. Borrow boots, hats, or blankets for themed accents. Hit up thrift shops for hidden Western gems. It's all about creativity, not cost. If this tip saves you cash, show some love with a like. What can I use for signs and labels? Cardboard or brown craft paper with hand lettering works great. Use twine to hang signs around food and drink stations. Label drinks with names like Cowboy Punch or Water and Hole. Make directional signs pointing to saloon or dance floor. Use stencils for a clean Western font look. Mount signs on mini wood boards or crates. Rustic and handmade beats store-bought every time. What's a good party favor display idea? Use a wagon wheel or wooden shelf to hold favors. Arrange them in mini burlap bags with rope ties. Add a sign like "Take One Partner" in the center. Scatter horseshoes or sheriff badges around the setup. Use crates for height and layering. Keep it neat but rustic and themed. Favors should look like part of the decor. If you liked this idea, hit that like button. How can I involve kids in the decorations? Have them help paint signs or decorate jars. Let them design their own wanted posters. Create a DIY bandana or badge station. Give them stickers to decorate paper horseshoes. Kids love being part of the creative setup. Just supervise paint and glue for safety. It's a fun way to get them excited early. How do I make the party space feel like a rodeo arena? Define the area with hay bales, barrels, or rope borders. Use signs like arena, rodeo zone, or showtime to guide guests. Create a mock ring with chalk, tape, or rope on the ground. Add cowboy hats and bandanas to a dress-up corner nearby. Scatter horseshoes, boots, and straw around for realism. This transforms any space into a rodeo in no time. How do I make the food area look themed? Use checkered or denim-style table covers. Label snacks with fun names like Grubhub or Cowpoke treats. Add hay bales around the table for extra style. Decorate with lanterns, crates, and small plants. Use wood or tin-style serving trays. Frame the table with rope or string lights. Keep it functional but full of personality. If this food station idea sounds great, like the video, any final decoration tips to tie it all together? Keep everything cohesive: color, texture, and tone. Don't overcrowd. Leave space for guests to enjoy. Use multi-level decor, floor, table, and eye level. Make sure lighting highlights your best features. Add music to match the mood. It's part of the vibe. Walk through the space to spot empty or cluttered areas. Keep the theme clear but flexible. If you've enjoyed these tips, show some love with a like. There you have it. Simple, fun, and Wild West-worthy decor ideas. Whether you're planning for kids, adults, or the whole posse, these tips will help you create a party that's full of charm. Rustic textures, Western accents, and thoughtful touches go a long way. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about the experience. Every bale, banner, and bandana brings it all together. Set the scene, play the part, and enjoy every minute. Decorate with heart, and your guests will feel it. Now you're ready to ride off into party planning success. If these ideas got your creativity galloping, don't forget to show some support. Click like if you found even one helpful tip in today's roundup. Subscribe for more no-nonsense party inspiration and DIY decor. Share this video with anyone wrangling a Western-themed event. Got your own rodeo tip? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear it. Every party tells a story. Make yours unforgettable. Thanks for watching and hanging out in this creative corral. Now go on, partner. It's time to throw that rodeo bash, right?